All right, let's explore part D using the Cartesian coordinate plane. Okay, so you'll recognize this before, and I know from helping my daughter in grade 7 with her assignments that she has, or you have, learned this since grade 7. So let's review. We have, and please label it on your notes, the x-axis. X-axis is horizontal, side to side, and the y-axis. Just for interest's sake, the x-axis is sometimes called the abscissa, and the y-axis or coordinate is sometimes called the ordinate. Okay, and we know that when we plot points, looking at this bubble here, they are always in the order of x, y. All right, this grid is organized into 4 quadrants. We have quadrant 1. Usually we use Roman numerals. Quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. All right, now we also have the origin, the very center of our graph. You can write in that the origin happens at 0, 0. So then if I was to label the origin, it would be in the very center. This red dot that I'm making right now is the origin. Okay, I am going to put some points on the side here, and I would like you to practice plotting them. All right, so looking at point A, we have an x value of 3, 1, 2, 3. Here is where x equals 3. And a y value of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is where y equals 5. So the point A we find is at the intersection of those 2 spots. And we say that point A is in quadrant 1. This is the quadrant where both x and y values are positive. When we look at point B, -6 is the x value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be here. And y is at 2, 1, 2. We go up for positive, and they intersect here. We label that point B. And B is in quadrant 2. This is where x will be negative and y will be positive. See, we find it -1 and -4 here, point C, in quadrant 3. Now, if you haven't already, pause it and plot the other 3 points and see if your points agree with mine in the end. D at +7 on the x-axis. Whoops, I shouldn't have wrote that down. And -2 sorry, right there. And E, we're looking at 0 on the x-axis. Okay, and 5 on the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here is E. And F is at 6 and 0. F. And I forgot to label this as point D. Okay. I think that's everything we need to discuss about the Cartesian coordinate plane. Hopefully you understood those. You can do a few more practice. The assignment will give you tons of practice. Again, please do the recommended amount of questions, or do them all if you want a lot of practice. Okay, good luck.